was church today, guys?
What?
How was church, Haleigh?
I guess good. Yeah, good. Tired.
And every day I'd pull in right through here when I come to school, and this is where you park, right here for the students. And I'd park in there, but every day I would see these kids walking to school early in the morning. I was always like, what are those kids doing? Why are they walking? Where are they coming from? And they'd always go to from that church, and they'd be at seminary, and then they'd be walking to school right here. And I never knew.
There's seminary right across the street from a school. You never even heard of it.
And this is where I played baseball, right here at this Elmore Field.
Can you talk louder, please?
Elmore Field. I played baseball here.
So you played basketball?
I did. I played both.
He was actually very, very good at baseball.
And I played basketball at the gymnasium that I showed you before.
Isn't that weird that you had a church right across the street and you never even heard of it?
Yeah.
For years.
I didn't even know that was a church.
Tell the story of all the churches and how you decided to look around.
There's a lot of churches here in Conroe, especially in Texas and the South. That right there is where I played basketball versus athletics. We'd go down in there. There's a big gym down there.
How come the high school's so far away from those fields back there?
It's not. It's just really big.
Oh, on the other side.
Yeah. But
Did you know there's two bananas? One in,
what do you think?
Where did you have graduation? In there?
Graduation. It was in the football stadium.
and Bernard found Midnight.
Alright, give us the tour.
What was I saying?
You're talking about churches.
Well, there's a lot of churches here. A lot of big ones, a lot of old ones. Baptist, Methodist, Catholic,
That's a nice truck.
Protestant.
I like that
You
truck.
name it. There's pretty much everything here. And all my friends would always say, hey, come to church with me. I'd go to the church with them. And I'd go to another church. And I'd go to a different church. But it just kind of rotated around. The only time my family ever went to church was like Christmas. And that was only because my dad's mom would come into town because she lived in Indiana. It was too cold. She was really old. So they'd bring her down here so she could have the warmth. She'd stay with us from like Thanksgiving to like Valentine's Day or something. She would stay with us from Thanksgiving to Valentine's Day. And the only time we ever went to church was when my dad's mom would come to town for Christmas, and we'd go to Christmas Mass. That's in downtown Conroe. It's called Saint something. Can't remember. Catholic church, I don't remember. Or I think like 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. I don't remember. Because we switched or something happened. I had to go to a different school. But it's up here on the right. When I was in 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. And then I had to go to a junior high. Now, I'll show it to you. It's called O.A. Reeves, I think. Up here on the right, see the brown building coming up? Yeah, here it is.
Miles, you're in 4th grade. This is where Dad went to 4th grade.
That's where I went to 4th grade, right there. 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. And there's a big field in the back where we play like kickball or recess or stuff like that.